Hi, my name is Bode, and this is my project on a rainforest. 2,500,000 square miles of rainforest cover the earth. Rainforests are 70 million years old, the oldest living ecosystem. Dinosaurs roam in rainforests. Dinosaurs are gone, but rainforests still live. There's two types of rainforest, temperate and tropical. Temperate exists in the mountains. In higher elevation are slightly cooler. Tropical exists where it's warmer. There are 3 layers to a rainforest. Number 1, the canopy, tops of the trees. It's the tops of where the trees where animals and vines live. Understory, short trees and bushes and ferns. Number 3, forest floor, where dead leaves are broken down to give nutrients for the big trees. Not very good soil because the trees use it up. Fungi grows. Rainforests give us much of our food and medicines. Rainforests are lungs of our planet. The trees produce oxygen and then eat the bad air. Rainforests get 260 to 40 inches of rain per year. Colorado gets 17 inches per year. Everything grows well in rainforests. Half of animals and plants on the planet live in a rainforest. There's 600 mammal species, 1,600 bird species, 40 turtle species, 230 snake species, and 70,000 insect species. Temperature ranges from 86 to 95 degrees. Rainforests are warm, wet, and close to the equator. Rainforest animals have adaptations to survive in this habitat. The jaguar spots help it to hide in the dappled shadows to not be seen by its prey. Red-eyed tree frogs have suction cup feet to hang on to trees. Plants protect themselves by using various strategies: thorns, poisonous, thick bark, and tough leaves. Plants attract insects to be pollinated, to continue to make new plants in their species. The plants in the rainforest have interesting adaptations. The bucket orchid attracts the bucket bee and then covers it in wax so it takes its pollen to another bucket orchids. You'll see lots of big tree roots in the rainforest called buttress roots that help the tree stay stable. The plants compete with each other to get more sunlight and grow faster. They compete to have the biggest leaves. The mangrove is another type of rainforest tree that makes its roots above ground in water, since the rainforest soil is poor quality. Lots of rainforests plants have drip-tip leaves that have waxy thin tips to help water drip off easily so they don't collect too much water and break. There's an ant plant that attracts ants to live on it, and the ants crawling on it keeps other animals from eating it. Rainforests are disappearing because of humans due to logging, farming, in mining. One species disappears in every 15 minutes. Bye.
Do you want to point some stuff out in it?
And here's a sloth. Snake fell down. And here's a bucket orchid. A corpse flower. A monkey swinging on a vine. A Venus flytrap fly. A parrot. Blue morpho butterfly. A tarantula. And a little minifigure guy I made. And the cheetah's about to eat it. Bye.